Innovator of the Year, Manufacturing. The Kurt J. Lesker III Award for Excellence.
Carnegie Mellon University is a world-class academic and research institution. From our students and faculty who are creating many of the startups that are in the room today, to our alums that are working with many Pittsburgh companies, and our researchers that are working with the worldwide names around the world, our corporate partners and CMU have been working very closely together for many decades, and we look forward to doing that for many decades into the future. Pittsburgh Technology Council is integral to the technology community in Pittsburgh, and we are proud to be a part of it. This event brings that community closer together, and that only makes us all stronger.
Innovator of the Year, Manufacturing. The Kurt J. Lesker III Award for Excellence. Interphase Materials.
Interphase Materials is an advanced materials company that makes custom chemical solutions to improve the interface between biology and new technologies. This has applications widespread from buildings to power plants to large shipping vessels. We currently apply our technology locally in the Pittsburgh region, improving the efficiencies of buildings and reducing their CO2 output. We also work directly with the Department of Defense with our contracts, improving the efficiency of their vessels and power generation systems.
Kurt J. Lesker Company.
Kurt J. Lesker Company, our mission is enabling technology for a better world. We build vacuum products, thin film coating machines that allow our customers all over the world to build next generation life-saving technologies. Products like thin film solar cells, which is being used to bring electricity to some billion people around the world that don't have electricity. And we also work in X-ray and sensor technology that's being used to detect explosives and also nuclear radiation.
Watt Fuel Cell.
Watt Fuel Cell, as the name might suggest, is actually a fuel cell company. We're a little bit different though, because we offer a hybrid solution where we take other renewable energies such as solar and wind, and actually we can combine energy storage too. And we give a more sort of holistic solution for the consumer. Pittsburgh is located on one of the largest natural gas deposits in the world, and our product actually takes that natural gas, converts it directly into electricity. So if you imagine, there's natural gas everywhere around the world, now you can take our product and generate electricity in a green and responsible manner.